Hi and welcome to Foodnmagic. In this video you will see how to make marshmallows at home. Can you see how soft and spongy these are? Just like what we get in the shops, right? The store-bought ones are expensive too. You can make these at home easily, for which you will not require any corn syrup, any special molds or trays to set it in, and not even butter paper. With the measurements given, you can set it in any available tray or tiffin box. Before you begin, do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes and leave your comments in the comment box given down below. So let's get started. First, I'll take 2 tablespoons of gelatin and to it add 100 ml of room temperature water. Cover and let the gelatin bloom for 10 minutes, that is, let it soak for 10 minutes. The second step is, as many of you may not be having icing sugar at home, so let's prepare it. Take half a cup of normal sugar and add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and grind this to a fine powder. The icing sugar is not yet ready. As we need a smooth powdered sugar, we need to sieve it. Here I am using a sieve which is meant to sieve maida and is very fine. You can use a chiffon or cotton cloth too to sieve the powdered sugar. The tiny particles of sugar that are left are caster sugar, which needs to be separated. And here our icing sugar is ready, for which you need not run to the market to buy it. Wasn't that easy? Step number 3 is that I'll keep a tray ready to set the marshmallows. Now if you take a bigger tray, your marshmallows will be flat, and if you take a small and tall tray like the one I have taken, the marshmallows will have a good height. So choose a tray accordingly. You can also use a glass dish or a plastic tiffin to set the marshmallows. I have used refined odorless oil to grease the tray and will sprinkle generously with the icing sugar that we just prepared. Take care to dust well from all the sides, and why this is important you shall see further in the video. Once done, let's move ahead and make the sugar syrup. To prepare the sugar syrup, I have taken 1 cup of normal sugar and will add 1/3 cup of water to it. Stir well and bring this to a boil. This is a substitute to the corn syrup used in this recipe. The syrup has started to boil and we need to make a syrup of the soft ball consistency, and this step is very crucial to make perfect marshmallows. The syrup has been boiling for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check the syrup by dropping a few drops in room temperature water. The syrup is getting dissolved, thus we need to cook it more. It's been more 3 to 4 minutes now, and let's check it again. Here you can see the syrup is forming a soft ball which can be shaped between the fingers. This is a soft ball stage and is perfect as we want for this recipe. Keeping the flame very low, I will add in the soaked gelatin and bring everything to a boil for just 1 minute. We just want a raw smell of the gelatin to reduce a little bit. Also use a good quality gelatin so that you will not get an aftertaste when you eat the marshmallow. Turn off the flame and transfer it immediately to a bowl and leave it precisely for 3 to 4 minutes as the syrup is boiling hot. To prepare the marshmallows, we need very hot mixture, so just start working on it, keeping a check on the time mentioned. For a good taste and aroma, I will add homemade vanilla extract, and the link to it I'll share in the description box below. At this stage, working fast is very important so that the syrup does not cool down. Start whisking it on medium speed for 3 to 4 minutes continuously. The more you whisk, the more fluffy the marshmallows will be. Here you can see 3 phases where the syrup changes its consistency. You need to whisk it till it falls straight like a ribbon, which you shall see further in the video. The syrup is turning little white, but it is very thin. It's not falling like a flat ribbon. Keep whisking till the right consistency is obtained, and it takes about 6 to 7 minutes of total whisking time. You can also add few drops of white food color at this stage. The color has changed and it's looking very light and foamy too. Here you can see that it is falling down like a flat ribbon. You need to whisk it till this stage is obtained. I'll stop whisking now and quickly pour half of the quantity in the greased tray. and add pink food color to the remaining half mixture as we are making dual colored marshmallows. If you're making them for the first time, you can make them in a single color only. You need to work quickly as if the batter cools down, it will start to set. The batter at this stage is warm and sticky. Pour this pink mixture over the white one. It will sink in the white mixture, so do not worry. You will get perfect two colors, which you shall see further in the video when I unmold it. Prick with a toothpick to remove the air bubbles, otherwise the marshmallows will have holes in it. Sprinkle some more icing sugar on the top and then keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours to set well. You can leave at room temperature for 4 to 5 hours too. And it's ready to go in the refrigerator. It's set well in 3 hours, loosened from all the sides, and you can easily remove it with your hands. Dusting with icing sugar is important so that the top does not get sticky and we are able to cut it well. Grease the knife too with the icing sugar, and believe me, all this dry sugar will fall off and not make the marshmallows very sweet or extra sweet. Can you see how easily it's getting cut? You will just love the taste too. Once again, I'll remind you to use a gelatin of a good brand and a good vanilla extract for the perfect taste. Dust icing sugar on the knife and continue cutting. You can cut these in whichever shape you want. I just played the clip fast, and here are soft, gooey, stretchy, double-colored marshmallows are ready. How to store these to lock in their freshness is shown further, so keep watching. You can store them directly in an airtight box at room temperature for days. Do not leave them open as they will dry up. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do press the like button and give your feedback in the comment box given down below. Also, do subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.